and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another beauty box unboxing. I just received in the mail my Allure beauty box for March. This one arrived kind of late. It arrived April 9th, so on Monday. It is now Wednesday. I'm just now getting the chance to sit down and film this for you guys, but I was really excited. This is my first ever Allure beauty box, and I have heard really great things about it. It is a mix of some full size, some trial size, some deluxe size, and it is gonna be $15 per month, and they give you a range of different items. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. And here is what the inside of the box looks like. You also receive the Allure pamphlet that tells you everything that is inside of this box, the different items you get, the price ranges, all the details about each item, which I like that they included this. First off, I want to say that since I just did the Target beauty box unboxing video, I'll put a little eye up to that one, the presentation of this box is a lot nicer than the Target box. The Target box, it just felt kind of just thrown in there. And of course, one of my items came broken because it was all just kind of tossed and tumbled around. But this box has kind of a nicer feel to it. I feel like it's a little bit more elegant, I guess you could say. So inside of this month's box, I received 7 items, which the first item is the Orbe Freestyler Working Hairspray. This one is 1 fluid ounce. And if you know Orbe, you know that this is an expensive brand. It is a luxury hair care. I want to try just the tiniest bit. Woo! I would classify this item as a deluxe size item. It is 1 ounce, but you can purchase a 2.2 ounce on Beautylish and I think Sephora as well for $22. I believe the 9 ounce is $42, which is what they give you as an example in the little pamphlet that you get. They do give you the kind of highest listed price, I have noticed. So I did some research into all of the products and I'm gonna give you guys prices of some of the lowest items. Since that's more realistically what you're getting inside the box, you're not receiving the full-size $42 item. The next item I have is the La Roche-Posay, the Broad Spectrum SPF 60 Anthelos 60 Ultra Lightweight Sunscreen, Fluid, Fast Absorbing. It's going to give you a matte finish. It is also water resistant for up to 80 minutes, fragrance free, paraben free. It is also 0.1 fluid ounces or 3 milliliters. And what I have actually been on the hunt for is a really good lightweight sunscreen that has a high SPF. It's gonna not leave my skin looking greasy like I just sprayed a bunch of Pam on my face. I want something that can dry down and be able to put makeup on top. Since summertime is coming up, you want a higher SPF if you're gonna be out in the sun. Even if you are wearing makeup, you definitely wanna make sure you're getting your SPF. So this is an item I'm actually pretty excited to be able to test out before I purchase a full-size bottle. Just so I know if I like it and then I won't be stuck with this giant tube. Which this is definitely a trial size, as you guys can see by the size of this thing, but the full size is a 1.7 fluid ounce and it retails for $29.99. So it is kind of high up there in price, but I mean that's kind of what their range of skincare items is. Then I received the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. This one is 0.16 fluid ounces or 5 milliliters. I also received the shade Y225, which looks like it's gonna be just a tiny bit too dark for me. What's funny is if you read from the back here, it says free sample, not for resale. But it does feel really nice. Where I put the swatch right now, completely dried down and is kind of like a powdery velvet finish. I'm actually pretty excited to be able to test this one out because the full-size bottle is really expensive. The full-size price is $43. Fourth item is by Cure. This is a full-size item. It is their Nourishing Cuticle Oil. It retails for $18. So I just put a little bit all around my cuticles, and it's supposed to be packed with essential oils and vitamins and just be really good for your cuticles. Allure also suggests to not just put it on your cuticles, but to put it all over your nail. And you're gonna see stronger, healthier looking nails, which I am excited to test out. My nails are not the greatest. They are kind of flimsy. They have a tendency to feel kind of soft and kind of fold under pressure. So when I saw this inside of the box, I got pretty excited. I'm gonna see if this is actually a miracle cream, if it really works. I'm actually gonna make my husband try it too because his cuticles need some work. The fifth item is from Simple. It is their Water Boost Micellar Makeup Remover Eye Pads, retailing for $6.99. This is another full-size item, which I can really appreciate. I like full-size items in my boxes. So in here, you receive 30 pads, and it's basically gonna be like a cotton round. And it has one side that is flat, the other side is textured with some like quilted kind of design. They have no artificial perfumes, no harsh chemicals, and it is with minerals and plant extract, and it's supposed to be gentler so you are able to take off your eye makeup quite easily and not have to really tug at your eye, which I received this box on Monday, and I did actually test out this product because I needed a new makeup remover and I just tested it out, and it works really well to remove all of your eye makeup. You just kind of soak it around and then it just wipes it all kind of away. I do find that I still have to go over it a few times. It's not gonna be those like one swipe and done. You're gonna have to do some motions to try to remove all of the makeup, but it does work. Now, the sixth item is also by Makeup Forever. This is their Artist Rogue Cream Lipstick in C211. And the full size value of this product is $22, but this is, of course, a trial size. Weighing in at only 0.04 ounces. But I have to say, this is a stunning color, and it is really opaque and pigmented. If I didn't have this crazy dark eye look going on right now, I would plop this one on for sure. It looks like it is a creamy finish. It has kind of a florally scent to it. Nothing too crazy. This is the amount of product that you get in here. It's actually not that bad. I was kind of expecting it to be a little bit smaller, but I feel like this, you can get a good amount of use out of it before you run out, and then you'll know if you need or want to repurchase it. I was also mistaken. I do not have just one item left. I have 2 items left. There are 8 items in the box, not 7. So the 7th item, which I am hoping I'm not butchering the name, but it is Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. It retails for $25 for the full size, which is 2.3 ounces. This is a trial size in which you get 0.3 fluid ounces. And here's what the inside looks like. Oh man, it looks like a jelly. You probably aren't really able to see that on camera, but the whole thing is just jiggling in there. And it does feel very watery in texture, not oily, not greasy. Has a really good scent to it too. So this is supposed to be an overnight sleeping mask, which is not supposed to leave you feeling sticky, greasy, all of that. I've never tried a overnight sleeping mask because I hate the feeling of being sticky. I want to go to bed and I want to feel fresh and clean. I don't want to feel like I have rubbed myself with butter. And where I just rubbed it in is completely dry. No residue whatsoever. Feels great. Then the 8th and final item is the Ico I Do Liquid Liner. It retails for $22 for the full size, which the full size is 2 grams. This one is 1.2 grams, so it's pretty close. I would 100% say that this is a deluxe size item, and it swatched beautifully. It has a felt tip, and I didn't do a live swatch, I just swatched it to show you guys, but let me just show you. Ooh, that is pigmented. It is also supposed to be waterproof, so bingo, I am testing this out during summer. I'm gonna go swimming in it. The only thing that I can see already is that this has a glossy finish, and I don't enjoy eyeliners that have a glossy finish. I like the ones that have a matte look to it. That's just my personal preference. If you like a glossy finish, this is really beautiful, but you know, if you hate a glossy finish, this is gonna be kind of like a meh item. But that was everything that was inside of the box. Let me give you a quick rundown. So you received 2 full-size items inside of this month's box, 2 deluxe sizes, and then it was 4 sample trial size items. Now I never include these in the value of the box. And then deluxe sizes, I mean, there's not really a value on these ones either. They're just a little bit bigger than the trial sizes, which I can really appreciate that you get a little bit more product for your money. But if you were talking value of just the 2 full-size items that you get inside of the box for these 2 items, it is $24.99. So if you pay $15 for the box, you're getting like $10 for free plus the deluxe and sample sizes. So it is really all up to you if you think this box is worth it for you. If you want to spend $15 for it, you know you want to test out some of these items and you just don't want to buy a bunch of full-size items. And you want to be able to test it out before you make the splurge and purchase one of those really big full-size items, which is a huge benefit to these beauty boxes. I personally love beauty boxes. I find that they are really good in terms of value for the most part, of course. You receive a lot of items that you can test out and then be able to determine before purchasing a giant bottle if you actually like it, if you want to make the splurge and purchase that high-end item with that hefty price tag, and see if it actually works for you beforehand. But that was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like it, share it, leave me a comment down below what you thought of this month's box, if you liked it, if there was any products you're interested in, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I post 2 beauty related videos twice a week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!